to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the scattered shells stitch pattern, like shells on a beach. For this pattern, you'll need to know how to do a double crochet and a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below on my videos of how to do those stitches. So for this pattern, you'll want to chain multiples of 12 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm just doing a quick 12 chains plus 1 for a total of 13. Once you have your chains, you want to chain 7. And in the 8th chain from the hook, you want to work your first double crochet. Followed by chaining 5, skipping 3 chains, and in the 4th one, work a double crochet, chain 5, skip 3, double crochet, chain 5, skip 3, and double crochet. Now row 1 is our foundation row, so it doesn't count for the repeat. So to repeat this pattern for your projects, you want to repeat rows 2 through 5. So to get started on row 2, you want to chain 6, work a double crochet in the chain 5 space, work 5 treble crochets in the double crochet space from the row below. Work a double crochet in the chain 5 space. Chain 5. Work a double crochet in the next chain 5 space, followed by doing 5 treble crochets in the double crochet space from the row below. And then ending by doing 1 double crochet in the chain space from the previous row. So that is row 2. So row 3, we want to start off by chaining 6. And we are going to work a double crochet in the middle stitch of the treble crochet cluster from the row below, followed by chaining 5, working 1 double crochet in the chain 5 space, chaining 5, working a double crochet in the middle of the treble crochet cluster, chaining 5, and ending with a double crochet in the chain 6 space from below. Alright, row 4, we want to start by chaining 3 and working 3 treble crochets in our double crochet space. Followed by working a double crochet in the chain 5 space, chaining 5, working a double crochet in the chain 5 space, working 5 treble crochets in the next stitch, which was the double crochet stitch from the row below, working a double crochet in the chain 5 space, chaining 5, and working a double crochet in the chain 6 space from the row below. and that is row 4. So row 5, the last part of this repeat, we will start by chaining 6, double crocheting in the chain 5 space, chaining 5, and working a double crochet in the middle of the treble crochet cluster, chaining 5, working a double crochet in the chain 5 space, chaining 5, and doing a double crochet in the last stitch of the row. And there you have it. That's how you do the scattered shells stitch pattern. I love how this project looks as you make it bigger. I think it'd make a great sweater. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.